Before he wasn't doing much, now he's doing nothing. Tough being a star, isn't it? People want a piece of you everywhere you go.
It's unrelenting.
What's Dave saying?
I think he's watching The Simpsons. I don't like that thing. Okay, I want to say some things. Cat food tastes like shit.
How's the Australian Cat Federation meetings been going?
They're a bunch of idiots. They never heard the word solidarity. And they would stick it to Labour. I say, Kevin Rudd doesn't care about cats. But they just say, oh no, we've got a meeting with him in Canberra next week and that will be enough. But it's not enough. He just does it so he looks like he's doing something, but he's doing nothing. Life for cats is no better today than under Howard.
Too true, Fatso.
So true.
Never a truer word spoken.
No.